Have you ever wondered where everything came from? Not just you or the Earth, but the entire universe. Stay with me for the next few minutes because we're going to use simple logic to answer one of the biggest questions humans have ever asked. I'm not going to quote any religious book. I'm not going to ask you to just believe. We're going to use reason, logic, and science, things everyone can agree on. By the end of this video, you'll see why the universe must have a creator. Not because I say so, but because logic demands it. Let's begin. First, let's talk about something science has confirmed. The universe had a beginning. Scientists call it the Big Bang. About 13.8 billion years ago, all matter, energy, space, and even time itself began from an incredibly small point and rapidly expanded. This isn't religion talking, this is science. The universe wasn't always here. It started. Now here's where it gets interesting. Think about everything around you. Your phone, the chair you're sitting on, even you yourself. Everything had a beginning, right? And everything that began was caused by something. Your phone didn't just appear out of nowhere. Someone designed it, someone built it. You didn't just pop into existence. Your parents brought you into this world. This is basic logic. Everything that begins to exist has a cause. Nothing comes from nothing. 0 plus 0 will never equal 1. So if the universe had a beginning, and science confirms it did, then the universe must have a cause. It can't come from nothing. Nothing can't create something. And the universe can't create itself. That's like saying you gave birth to yourself. Impossible. So there must be something that caused the universe to begin. Now, whatever caused the universe can't be part of the universe itself. Think about it. If you're inside a box, you can't create the box you're in. The cause of the universe must be outside space, time, matter, and energy, because it created all of those things. This cause must be different in nature from everything we know. Now someone might ask, okay, but who created the creator? If everything needs a cause, then God needs a cause too, right? Good question. But here's the key. Not everything needs a cause. Only things that begin need a cause. Your phone began, it needs a maker. You began, you need parents. The universe began, it needs a cause. But what if something never began? What if something always existed, eternal, with no beginning and no end? Then it doesn't need a cause. Think of a chain hanging from the ceiling. Each link holds up the one below it. But the chain can't go on forever upward. Eventually, there must be something holding the entire chain. A hook attached to the ceiling. That hook doesn't need another hook. It's the foundation. The universe is like that chain, and there must be an eternal foundation, something that never began, holding it all up. That's what we call the first cause, the uncaused cause, the creator. Now here's something fascinating. If this creator was just some mindless force, like gravity or energy, then the universe would have always existed. Because mindless forces just do what they do automatically, right? Gravity doesn't choose when to work, it just works. But remember, the universe had a beginning. It wasn't always here. It started at a specific point in time. So what made it begin then and not before? The only explanation is something with a will chose to create it at that moment. Like a light switch. The electricity is always in the wall, but the light only turns on when someone chooses to flip the switch. This means the creator isn't just powerful. The creator has intelligence and will, the ability to choose. Let's recap what we've logically established. 1. The universe had a beginning. Science confirms this. 2. Everything that begins needs a cause. Basic. Logic. 3. The cause must be outside the universe. Can't be part of what it creates. 4. The cause must be eternal. No beginning, no end. 5. The cause must have will and intelligence. Chose when to create. We haven't used any religious texts. No, just believe me. Only reason and logic. And the conclusion is clear. There must be an eternal, all-powerful, intelligent creator who brought the universe into existence. This is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll explore more about this creator and address common questions. If this made sense to you, like this video and subscribe for more logical discussions. See you next time.